everyone, welcome to the Daily Bread Homestead. I just wanted to let you guys know, 2021, we're going to work hard on food preservation. So if you haven't dehydrated, if you haven't canned, if you haven't frozen mass quantities, or even just some extra food here and there, I would encourage you to follow us, and I will learn and I will record whenever I can. I am planning to do a lot more canning than I've ever done in my life. I'm already dehydrating things a lot more than I have ever done in my life, and today I am going to make some raisins out of our plentiful grapes. Now, these are not our own grapes, and I have never made our grapes in our backyard into raisins, so this will be a good practice for me, and we will see how it goes. I like to wash my grapes in some cool water mixed with some vinegar. After you've washed them pretty well, you have to pick them apart, and this takes a good long time if you're doing a lot of grapes. Once you have washed your grapes and taken out all the bad ones, given the extras to the chickens, grab some citric acid powder and grab some water. I like to use a quart jar for this. For every quart of cold water, it's recommended to use about 1 teaspoon of citric acid. Before you put those grapes in the chilly citric acid water, you want to boil them for approximately 1 minute. You can see how the boiling helped to crack the skin of these grapes. As with all the dehydration recipes that I've done, it's recommended to do a single layer, and each bag of grapes, for the most part, took up one of my trays in my dehydrator. It's best to dehydrate grapes into raisins at 135 degrees. Now, there's a lot of factors that go into how long it takes, but just expect it to take at least 2 days. Here is where I checked in on them about halfway through. The finished product was so tasty. Subscribe for more fun.